Hey, welcome back, everybody. In this episode, this is going to be part 2 of the engine swap. We pull the engine out of the engine run stand and put it back in the rat rod. Before we install the torque converter, we need to put about a quart of transmission fluid inside the torque converter. They recommend doing that so that you don't start it up dry. So Joe's going to put about a quart in this. Joe's going to muscle the torque converter onto the transmission now. She needs to make sure that she slides it all the way back. There's like 2 positions that'll go on. You'll slide it on once and you may think you've got it on all the way, but you need to really rotate it around and make sure that it seats all the way back. And as you can see here, she does that. Joe pulls the motor mounts off the 350 that we pulled out of the frame in episode 1. And she'll put these on the 305 that we're putting back into the rat rod. Okay, the engine swap now is complete. We've got the old one out, the 350 out. We got the 305 back in now. Joe's just got to finish tightening up or snugging up the motor mounts and should be pretty much ready to go. As far as, there's still quite a bit left to do, obviously, but we do have the engines back swapped and in place. We've got to do cooling. We've got to do a number of other things. But anyway, we wanted to get them swapped out. Appreciate you watching. I guess that's it for now. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I think that's all I got for now. So we'll talk to you on the next one. Thanks much. Bye.
Blooper?
Booper. A booper.